Do you see this?
Not a bad view.
We are here at El Caminito del Rey.
So we're about to leave with our group, and it's 2.8 kilometer hike to the actual like mountainside.
Our motto is there's nothing more dangerous than a tourist with a selfie stick, except perhaps an Englishman with an umbrella, but the concept's exactly the same. So although my heart is full of sorrow, grief and pain to see you go, I must ask you to leave.
I think that's an old portion of the trail.
You're not gonna duck? I'm gonna duck.
Huh?
The king and the engineer. The king, Alfonso XIII, Alfonso XIII, the engineer, Rafael Benjumea.
Where are we?
The children cross to this way to go to the school in the south. 5 kilometers to go, 5 kilometers come back every day.
So right there, that is the original walkway for this trail. Where are we?
So we just got done with the El Caminito del Rey. El Caminito del Rey. Brittany did not like the swinging bridge at the end.
It says like there was a maxima 10 people. Obviously nobody's paying attention to that.
Yeah, there was a lot of people on that bridge, and so Britt was like, let's keep moving, let's keep moving, let's keep moving.
I think all in all it was like 8 kilometers, so it was a pretty decent hike. Took a few hours.
Like 2 hours, I think, like from the moment you really started.
And we like were walking slow, we took lots of pictures. I would do it again. This is my stop.
Somebody's got to pee.